A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Good afternoon to one and all present here. It is both honor and privilege to introduce Dr. S. Anil Kumar, Principal, SSMRV College. He has been a popular teacher among faculty and students. He has an academic experience of 37 years in the field of commerce and management, both at the UG and PG level. Dr. Kumar has more than 22 years of research experience. He is a recognized guide for many universities for MPhil and PhD programs. He has produced 5 PhDs and 31 MPhils from various universities. He has been doing various UGC sponsored projects. Dr. Kumar has published articles in leading national and international conferences. To mention a few, Griffith University in Australia, Harvard University in Boston, USA, and so on. Dr. Anil Kumar has authored 17 books in the areas of financial accounting, corporate accounting, service marketing, entrepreneurship development, production and operation management, and goods and service tax. Dr. Kumar has been elected Academic Council member of Bangalore University and adjudicator and member of Research Committee, Christ University, member of Tourism Committee of FKCCI, Bangalore, advisory member of BBMP Roshni Project. He has been chairman of Board of Studies and Board of Examination of Bangalore University and other universities. The reflection of his hard work and commitment has transformed into various awards such as Dr. Kumar has been awarded in recognition of dedicated service as a teacher conferred by His Excellency Dr. Hansraj Bharadwaj, the then Governor of Karnataka, organized by Rotary Bangalore South and Karnataka Civil Defense Corps. He has been awarded for achieving excellence in education from Rashtriya Shikshana Samiti Trust. He has received Dr. Abdul Kalam Gold Medal Award from Global Economic Progress Research Association, New Delhi, for individual achievement and distinguished service in education and research. He has been an NCC under officer and has won the Best Cadet Award. Dr. Anil Kumar has also been awarded a D-List by the University of Panama, US. Coming back to his key focus areas within SSMRV, his academic innovations like the 360-degree education for wholeness model with five-dimensional approach, setting up of 30 activity centers are all stronghold strategies which aims to take the SSMRV college to a greater height. The direct impact of the same was our college getting an A grade by NAC for the first time during its third accreditation cycle. It is with pride we are proud to mention that SSMRV students got many ranks and gold medals in the university exams. SSMRV College has recently been ranked fourth among top 5 colleges in India for best value for money in the India Today MRDA survey 2018, 2019 and 2020. The list is endless, but with due respect to time, let me contain my few words about Dr. S. Anil Kumar. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Sindhu. Now, I would like to call our principal, Dr. S. Anil Kumar, sir, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. Good evening. Uh, First of all, I would like to once again welcome the speakers of today's webinar, virtual webinar on on the occasion of International Women's Day. Mrs. Bharati Shankar, ex-chairman, Karnataka State Women Development Corporation, and Ms. Surila Rao, an entrepreneur and executive committee member of Awake, and all the participants who are participating in this virtual webinar. Participating in this virtual webinar. And this is a great moment. And first of all, I would like to wish all the women out there a happy International Women's Day. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes.
Thank you,
And
sir.
yes, on this occasion, I really appreciate the initiative taken by Professor Shakila, the convener of Women uh, and Women Empowerment Cell of SSMRB College. And this is the right occasion to invite people like Bharati Shankar and Surila Rao to speak about the women issues. And I think the participants are really lucky to have both of you on this occasion. And in our institution, this has been a regular feature. Every year we conduct the various programs, not only on the occasion of International Women's Day, but on a regular basis, we've been organizing many programs pertaining to women and women awareness programs, etc. So I really appreciate the initiative of this cell and all the faculty and student members. See, in our college, we have around 30 activity centers like NSS, NCC, and sports. We have health club, community service, Youth Red Cross, civil defense, like that. I mean, theater club, music club, like that. We have about 30 activity centers, and each activity center there will be one faculty coordinator, and there will be a team of students, office bearers of students who actually conduct many programs in the particular academic year. So I'm very happy that today they have organized this particular program. So once again, I, on behalf of the college and RV educational institutions, welcome the speakers, eminent speakers of today's webinar, Mrs. Bharati Shankar and Mr. Surila Rao, today for this evening program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Being a woman is a supreme achievement and not the deepest fear. Celebrating womanhood with self-confidence and the fuel of empower towards dream is Mrs. Bharati Shankar. Now, I would like to call Ms. Sana, member of Women Empowerment Cell, to introduce guest speaker Mrs. Bharati Shankar, ex-chairperson, Karnataka State Women Development Corporation. Over to you, Sana.
Thank you, Harini. A beautiful woman draws strength from troubles, smiles during distress, and grows stronger with prayers and hope. You are one of them. Wishing all the beautiful and strong women a happy Women's Day. A very good evening to one and all present here. Myself, Sana Siddika, Vice President of Women Empowerment Cell, and I am here to address today's speaker, Mrs. Bharti Shankar, ex-chairperson of Karnataka State Women's Development Corporation. Welcome you, ma'am. Mrs. Bharti Shankar, ma'am, has completed her BSc from Vidya Vardhaka Sangha College, Rajaji Nagar. She has been an NCC Scout State Level Commander. She has played throwball, kho and has been the state captain of Tennis. Her hobbies are mainly into providing social service. When she was a chairperson of Karnataka State Women's Development Corporation, she introduced Savi Ruchi Mobile Canteen, released loan of 5 lakhs to 5 crore for women startups for the rate of 4% per annum. This is set to be a record. She has been felicitated with many awards like Rajyotsava Award, Lakshmi Devi Award for her service. She has worked and still working for women entrepreneur. We are having an immense pleasure to have you here, ma'am. Thank you. Now, I request Bharti ma'am to take over the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi.
You are there.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
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 ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. And thank to Nagaraj sir for wishing hers and giving an opportunity to have this evening. Yeah, good evening. Actually, we all know that International Women's Day is a day where women are recognized and appreciated for all their hard work and dedication. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೋ
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Because I'm very comfortable in Kannada than English, so I mix up and I will speak. Okay, because what I want to deliver, it should be very confident. So I'm very confident in Kannada, so I will deliver in Kannada maximum. Okay, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಮಹಿಳೆಯನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುರುತಿಸೋದು ಆಕೆಯ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ತ್ಯಾಗದಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ಸಹ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಹರಿರೋರು ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗಂಡಸು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ವುಮೆನ್, ಬಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಗಿಂತ ವುಮೆನ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದು. ಸೊ ಮೆನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾದವನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಇಂದ, ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಗಂಡಸರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪುರುಷ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಸಮಾಜ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. ಬಟ್ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಂದನೇ ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸಹ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಮಹಿಳೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಸಹಾಯಕಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಸಹ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕಾಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸಹ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು. ನಾವು ಈ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಒಂದು 10 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಬಲತೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದೋದಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊಂದಲಗಳು ಸಹ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಗೊಂದಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಏನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪುರುಷರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪುರುಷರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. ಮಹಿಳೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗೌರವ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂತ ಗೌರವ. ಆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಮಹಿಳೆನ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿಯನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಗುರಿಯೇ ಇಲ್ದೆ ಗೋಲೇ ಇಲ್ದೆ ನಾವು ದಿನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಏನು ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ 18 yearsಗೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅವೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಐ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಅವೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಏಜಿನವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವುಗಳೇನೋ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ PUC SLC ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರು ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಓದೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನೀವು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇಪಬಲ್. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೀಡರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನು ನಿಲ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೈಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ, ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಜನ ಸೇರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನೋ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾನು ವುಮೆನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನು ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷದಿಂದ 5 ಕೋಟಿಯವರೆಗೂ, 5 ಲಕ್ಷದಿಂದ 15 ಲಕ್ಷದವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಲೆಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 ಕೋಟಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು KSFC ಇಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವಳ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಳ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವಳು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಈಡಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸಹ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ತಾನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಮನೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಳು ಮನೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವಳ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಅವಳ ಸಮಾಜ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವೇ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ವೀಕ್ ಇದೀವಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು. ನಾವ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ನಾವು ದೇಶ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದುವರೆದ್ರು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಪರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಹ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಆಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕೆಯ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೋನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದನ್ನ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ವ್ಯವಹರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಹ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಲೋನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸಹ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನ ಖಂಡಿತ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್, ಶಕೀಲಾಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವನ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಶಕೀಲಾ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತುಮಕೂರು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವರು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರ ಗುರಿ ಏನು, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಮೊದ್ಲು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅರಿವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದಾನೇ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇರೋಂತ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 22-23 ನನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆಕೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆಯೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಈ 3ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಹ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ನೊಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ತಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಐಕ್ಯೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಐಕ್ಯೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ SSMRV ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಯಾರೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಬರೀ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಕೀಲಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನ್ನ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೀಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ರು ಸಹ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಕೀಲಾ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶಕೀಲಾ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಈಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಸಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೂಡೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇವನ್ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀ ಅನ್ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್, ನಾನು ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ 10 to 12 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಸೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಕೀಲಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಒಂದೇ, ನಾವು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನ. ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತರ ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening words and inspiring us. A financially independent woman is stronger than a muscular man. Awake is an organization that encourages the birth of innovative and skilled individuals. I feel proud to have the executive committee members of Awake and entrepreneur Ms. Surila Rao with us. I once again request Sana to introduce Madam Surila to you all. Over to you, Sana.
Thank you, Harini. God created someone who is wise and wow, only knows to love, makes sacrifices, one who encourages and one who never gives up. God created woman. A very good evening again. Ms. Surila Rao is an entrepreneur of Sri Srinivasa Enterprise and executive committee member of Association of Women and Education. She started her career as marketing executive in a manufacturing sector. She has undergone training in marketing South Asian market automobile customers like Hyundai and Ford in Chennai. She started her own business in 2009 in electrical products sales and services to automation industry in Bangalore and now supplying in large parts of Karnataka. We are very happy to have you with us, ma'am. Thank you. Now, I request Surila ma'am.
Hello. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am, you're audible. Hello. Ma'am, I think you have muted yourself. Now you're audible.
Now I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening and happy Women's Day to all of you.
Wish you the same, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Now, I would like to introduce about our Awake Association to you all. I would like to give a small presentation. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
1 minute. Can you see? Can you see the slides? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು ಮೈಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹಾಕಿ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಆನೆ ಇತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಂತ. ಹಲೋ.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah. The thing is, I'm not able to share the slides. Are you able to see the slides? Hello?
No,
Can
ma'am,
you
no,
see
ma'am.
this? No, you can't see the slides. Okay, I'll explain the slides.
Ma'am, I'll present now ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಂ can't share your screen and ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ವಿಂಡೋ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಶಕೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ
ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಲೋ ಮಾತಾಡಿ
ಹಲೋ
Yeah, ma'am. Can you share your screen? You you have an option called share screen on the right hand side of your.
It's not accepting it.
What does it say?
The present madino. Present now, right?
Yes.
Then madi.
Click on present now.
It's right.
ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ
Otherwise, the second option that you have is you could just mail the.
It's stayed here. Not we're not having permission to share.
1 minute.
ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನಾನು
Shall we share the present mail to you?
Yes, that's better.
1 minute. Mail ma.
ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, we'll share the presentation to you. Meanwhile, I would like to introduce Awake. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Awake is an institute started in the year 1983 by 7 women enterprises. by 7 women enterprises. In that, our own Mrs. Kiran Majuran is one of the 7 members who started this Awake to help the women who can achieve who can start their own business and be economically independent of her own. So in 1883 it was started and it has grown up to almost more than 500 members who are successful enterprises. Now what is the Awake Intuition? We develop different programs for women. And we provide a lot of training programs, right from cooking, salon, chocolate making, bakery products, and various programs. And it's not only for the women in city, we also give training programs to the women from villages too. So as a teamwork, we different programs are derived, and it is planned so that the training program are based on their individual interest. And we do also have a food incubator where people come here. They can't go into food business. They come over here. I'm sorry, I think I'm not able to hear. You people are able to hear? Oh, okay, that's nice because I'm not getting any voice. So
You're audible, ma'am. You're audible.
Yeah.
We can hear you, ma'am.
I'm audible. That's nice because okay. So we empower the women to join the economic mainstream to enhance the status of women in the society by creating a culture of entrepreneurship among the women in both rural and city or urban areas. Okay, so we have been given award by the Pioneer Organization Award was given in the year 2008 for the various programs we conducted, and also this AG Fund Award also was given in the year 2000 for entrepreneurial program. And what exactly we do Awake as a change agent? We do the entrepreneurs development training program. We have a business incubator for food. We have a trainees training program, and we also have a business counseling, entrepreneurship awareness program, and we have a management development program, skill upgradation, marketing center, and support, member service program, research and resource service. And what is this member service program? People who become member in the Awake, they will be given a entrepreneurial development program, a 2 weeks course where they study about the finance, different type of projects, and how to handle the finance, and how to the market support, everything. So within 2 to 3 weeks of this training program, they'll be ready to start their own unit or entrepreneurship program. So after this, we also have a tie-up with various government organization where we have a market link up where we have a tie-up with the various exhibitions where the some you people can put the stalls and sell their products at different you can see the exhibitions, a lot of women exhibitions, arts, crafts, food industry. So Awake itself has so many, they tie up with different industries and their own area will be given where they can market their products. And what are the facilities incubator we have? We have a common facilities like machineries, we have a processing unit, we do the training in skills, brand building, packaging, labeling, market network. One example for this machineries processing I would like to see, you can see one of the women, Indra Gowda, she has started her own this food products, this ragi ganji, millets and all those things. She took a training here. She built a brand here. Now she is supplying all over Karnataka. She is one of our member and she also undergoes training. And she started with half kg, 5 kg to 50 kg. Now half a ton per month she is manufacturing and she has a 3 unit. She is one of our proud member of Awake. And you can see that a lot of trade facilitation has been given. Around 20,000 members have been exposed to trade fairs and market linkages where they can sell their products. People find very difficult to sell their products. Along with this type of stalls, we also give training program for selling online, like this Ola, online, different online proposals. We call them, we give them training and we also guide them to register there and how to market through the e-commerce website, and all those A to Z training will be provided. So I think they should not be worried where all I should run around. Everything under one umbrella of Awake. They can do selling through either through exhibitions or through online can be done. And we also have a tie-up with state departments like the Department of Industries, Rural Development, Agriculture, Village Industries, Karnataka Science and Technology, Government of India, MSME. MSME is just adjacent to our building. We also call them and they also undergo a lot of training, even in tailoring, embroidery, so many training, tourism, culture, etc. I think people, depending on their interest, they can take up the skill training. And we have got we are very happy to say we got the Kitturani Chennamma Award, Pioneer Organization Award for all the services we have been done. So NAP has supported the Kaveri Mahila Samati Malavalli. We have done a lot of maize products, 250 women as a cooperative, a common facility for processing. Raw material is sourced directly from Farmers Federation, sales and product sharing, knowledge and technology, transfer from UAS, that is University of Agriculture Science, and common brand retailing also has been helped. Navatia, you might have heard, a sprouted Navadanya malt. She is one of the, Lata Biji, she is one of the Awake member who underwent the EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program here, and skill training in Awake. Now she has her own brand, Navanita. You can see in a lot of stalls, sprouted Navadanya malt. She sells and she is very happy. And one more lady, Aravindavalli, MBA, she also did her EDP program here. Past 39 years, she's selling Arcanite plates, which are all eco-friendly products. She has plates, cups, and they are safe to microwave, refrigeration, and use of fork and knives also she gives. She has been awarded for Entrepreneurship Excellence in 2012, and we are proud to say she is one of the Awake member. And Mrs. Adarsh Rao he trains rural women in manufacture, design and terracotta, jute-based jewels, cloth files, recycled paper products. And these products can be marketed through Awake, through various exhibitions which we conduct. I'll be sharing this slides. You can display to all the people there. It's very easy. And as I said, see, this is the Indra Gowda. She started with 5 kg and within 6 months, she started to sell half a ton per month and she owns a 3 factory. Okay. So this is our slides. Thank you. Now I would like to tell about myself. I was a member of Awake. I underwent a training here. I was working as a marketing executive in a company which manufactures Class B insulation tapes and also a foam tips which are largely used in transformer industries and automobile industries. This goes for as a cushioning or acoustic properties like diesel generators and all way to arrest the sound. So I had a market experience. I worked here there around 10 to 12 years. I was in charge for the entire South Indian market and handling 3 to 4 branches. So I was working there and into, and I was the instrumental in hello. So I was instrumental in developing for the Hyundai tier one product supplier who main supplies the dashboards and all those things to the Hyundai and Ford. So we went there and we developed the product, and it was one of the largest product. It gave a very good turnover to our company. After much around 10 12 years of experience, then I said I wanted to start my own. I thought, okay, I have some experience, even electrical and other class B insulation things. So I started my own in the 2008 2009. Started and came to Awake and took all the necessary training about the government taxations, how to handle industries, and then now I started in 2009 with few customers, like 3 or 4 customers. Now I have customers all over Karnataka, Coimbatore, Hosur, parts of Tamil Nadu, I should say. I'm quite happy with that. And my turnover also is quite good. I'm in the process of expanding. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am. You can proceed.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. In between, it was so silent. I'm not able to. Yeah. So what I would like to suggest the girls is, now you are in undergraduate, girls or boys. So basic thing is, as a madam said, banking is a very much primary thing which they have to learn, having an account, how to add an account. And secondly, they should undergo some skill along with the degree. Degree is a must. People who are interested, they can go for a skill development and product and all those things, whether it is food industry, manufacturing industries, or even in commerce students, they can undergo for all this GST training and all, because tomorrow they can put up their own consultancy for, or can give their customers, a lot of industries, they outsource all these accounts and all. These are all the industries which then they can definitely start planning, training right now. And the moment their degree, most of them would like to go for work. Yes, they have to definitely go for work and take the experience. Those experiences, what you can learn from there matters a lot, because industry experience or a company experience is a must. Because when you go and work under somebody, you will learn a lot of things. So what is the takeaway? Only thing, when you go to work, don't go for a cool jobs. I would like to address the students on this. A job where you are not going to learn anything. You should join a job where your skill gets developed. It can be a marketing skill, other soft skills, or a manufacturing skill, something you learn from there. And then when you come with your experience, definitely you can put up your own industry, take the necessary training, join it. You can become a member of any institute. You can not only in Awake, or Pina Industrial Association is there, FKCCI is there, CASIA is there, different organizations are there who help you in setting up an industry. And banks are there, provide loans. Even our Awake also will help you in giving a knowledge how loan has to approach the bank. They call the different bankers and how loans to be approached, what are documentation are required. They definitely give you a training program and all these things. So the moment if a person feels that yes, the job is the problem, I have experienced it, definitely they can become a member of an Awake and join different courses. The loans is no problem. Today only in a budget they announced for women up to 200 crores or something, they have announced, and 25,000 for all those people who do pickles, papad, apla, all those things they have announced. They can start with some small budget. If they don't want to go on a massive scale, they can work and parallelly work as a second source of income with a small industry. It's definitely working out quite well. So I suggest all those students, please undergo along with your education. Definitely undergo a various type of skill development. Skills are 100% required. Okay, which helps them. Along with that, I also say, when in future, if you're planning for an entrepreneur or business, please study your local area, shops. All the shops, so many shops gets closed and so many new shops comes, but there are shops or industries which are surviving from lot. So you need to observe that. Just before you put no, you keep observing your market, your surrounding, and read newspaper. Most of them don't read newspaper. Newspaper, please read business news. Please read other news. When you read newspaper, you get a lot of knowledge. What type of banks are doing, what government schemes are there, how industries are surviving. Or you can also see why industries are closing. That is also a learning experience, what mistakes they have done. Or there are people who they set up an industry, if it is enough, if they are not able to run, they are selling it, there's no issue. Okay, they are making quite good margin over that. So I always tell the students, along with skills, observation is more. Because when we used to go on a marketing call, our seniors used to always tell my boss, see what all industries are there on the road. Where we used to, most of my visits used to be in Chennai, because most of the automobile hub is in Chennai, Hyundai, Ford, car, or whoever it is. So we used to drive. We used to observe the industries there while they're traveling. This used to tell, okay, so many industry lists we may not get in the net. We can see how many industries are there, what they are doing in the board, then check them. So these observation skills is a must for each and everybody. So once you start an industry, then you can think of upgradation or sustainability or finance or whatever it is. So this is what I would like to say for the students. And now if you have any Q&A, question and answer, you can ask. If anyone is interested, or any question and answer about our organization or about how I set up and what is the problems I faced, if you have any question, you please ask. Because if you ask questions only, you will know, right?
Ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Yeah, so is there any Q&A from question and answer from your students? Anybody should be there who is starting interested in own their industry, service sector.
Students, if you have any questions, you can post.
Don't worry, let it be a stupid question. Still, please ask some question.
Ma'am, to get the loans and get the training, only for SSI only we can get the training, or any other industries we can have it. Get the
It depends what type of product you are planning to do, what type of industry.
Madam, in business, there are three sectors in business. One is manufacturing, service, and trading. If you go for schemes loan, manufacturing and service, you will get loan up to 1 crore through CGT MSC scheme.
Okay, sir. MSM.
And
Okay.
trading activities through Mudra loan, you will get a direct loan through bank.
Okay.
And today, that KSF, our Honorable Chief Minister announced up to 2 crore for women with a rate of interest 4%, madam.
Today budget have announced.
Yeah.
Sir, for all this online application only, no, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
There is a plenty of schemes called PMEGP up to 25 lakhs manufacturing sector, up to 10 lakhs service sector.
Okay.
You can apply through online www.karnatakaindustry.gov.in. In that website, you can search PMEGP loan, Prime Minister Employment Generation Project.
Okay.
Through that, you will get up to 25 lakhs manufacturing sector, up to 10 lakhs service sector. This scheme is not provide trading activities.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Anything else, madam?
Anyone else wants to undergo training? You know, along with your degree, you can take this training.
Ma'am, what will be the procedure if a student wants to take up the training?
Madam, initially they have to attend entrepreneurship development program through department and through AWEC also. In this training program, we will cover achievement motivation, project ideas, what all the project is there to set up successful industry, and who are all the supporters are there, like department, Government of India and Government of Karnataka. Like Government of Karnataka, Department of Industries and Commerce will support for budding entrepreneurs, and also KSFC, SEEDB, Women and Child Development, Women Development Corporation. Madam spoke earlier, given information. Madam Bharti Shankar.
Karnataka State Women Development Corporation.
Okay, there is a plenty of schemes for budding entrepreneurs, men and women.
Is
And
this
along
like a certificate course or is it dedicated with some hours of classes?
no. This is certificate course, madam.
This is a certificate course. You have to come to AWAKE, and here we give 15 days,
12 days training.
12 days of training. You get a certificate. You can discuss with the mentors, and you can select if you have any skill in particular industry or consultancy. You can discuss here. And about marketing also, they'll guide you. Banking, they guide you. And what is the government like sales tax, all means registration of GST, everything you get the guidance here.
Once you have to go for a loan, you have to prepare your project report. And that time only you will get to know what are the machineries and working capital.
Is it a business plan, right, sir?
Yes, madam, business plan preparation.
Okay.
Through that you will get to know what is your project cost and all.
Okay.
We also have a training for salon, tailoring, stitching, embroidery, plenty are there for girls. People who are interested in stitching, painting, artwork, fabric, plenty are there. It's not one or two.
Okay.
Regarding this tailoring, I would like to say recently a few years back, one of the lady undertook the training and she's one of the top. She not only sells online, she also trains other female for embroidery and this exotic frocks and all for kids. And she has done quite well here and she's so busy and she trains lot. 56 to 60 women go to her for training, enhancing their skills. Any more questions?
No, ma'am. I don't think there are any questions.
Yeah, I think
if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes.
I think there are no questions, ma'am. Thank you. Harini, please take over.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure your words would have inspired many young women out there. Thank you, ma'am. Dear participants, any queries about the webinar?
No, Harini.
Okay, thank you. I request Ms. Sangeeta to present a formal closure to the event through vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. Feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives their strength. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me, first of all, start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt thanks to our guest, Mrs. Bharti Shankar, who despite her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, ma'am. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our guest, Ms. Surila Rao, who despite her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring us, ma'am. We are grateful to our principal, Dr. S. Anil Kumar sir, for his words of encouragement. His guidance has always encouraged us. I thank him for his guidance, kindness, his interest, his hospitality, and continuous support. Thank you, sir.
I thank our well-wisher, Shakila Ma'am, the coordinator of Women Empowerment Cell, for her spreadership, support, vision, commitment, and for giving us such a great and inspiring webinar. Thank you, Ma'am. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of the various departments and the faculties for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement. Thank you all. Last but not the least, I thank every member of Women Empowerment Cell for making this webinar a great success. Thank you all. Finally, I leave you with this inspiring quote. Pain is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to success. Once again, I thank you all for your participation. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Kindly note, I request you all to give your feedback through the Google link shared in the chat box. E-certificate are issued for the same. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Surila ma'am, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Shakila. I hope I had some in between disturbance, so I'm sorry if there was starting some issue or something.
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
The
It was all.
presentation. I'm sorry. I hope it was useful and information, and look forward to
Yes,
your
ma'am. It
students.
was very informative, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye.
Thank you all. With this, we wind up the session. Please drop in your feedback and you will be issued with the e-certificates. We are done for the day. Thanks a lot.